This is Rockport Ryan with Texas Fishing Tips, and this is your weekly fishing report.
All right, we've had some great weather these past couple of days. This weekend's going to be not as pretty, but still doable. So if you come out from Sunray Road and hit out into this Redfish Bay system, out in these actual flats, we've actually been hitting some nice reds. If you're going up and down the ICW, we've also been picking up some nice black drum. With the redfish, we've been going with paddle tails or the unfair shrimp have been doing really good with them. You can work it like a topwater and then drop it below the surface. If you're going after some of the black drum that we're seeing, that is going to be better off with some shrimp on the bottom. The trout are still out there. Some colors that have been working well with those have been naturally your pinks. But also going into some of your root beer with chartreuse tails have been picking up pretty good. Haven't really moved into a glass minnow time, so we don't need to have that mimic bait right now. Another place that we can take advantage is actually coming all the way down this Harbour Island road to right before that tank farm. You can launch from there, come right around this point. As you come around that point, we've been having some pretty good luck and picking up some flounder. You could also come all the way around here towards the lighthouse. Some of these cuts going in around the lighthouse have been producing some nice reds. Out here in the deeper water, we've still been picking up some nice trout and some black drum. Again, for the black drum is going to be your best bet is going to be shrimp on the bottom. With the trout and everything, again, paddle tails, any of your pink, root beer chartreuse tail have been working real well. Also, the Z-Man trout tricks have been doing pretty well out here in the deeper water as well. All right, another place is as you come down the Joe Fulton corridor, you can actually pull off the road, paddling up into like where the Nueces River is emptying out. We've actually been having some pretty good luck with some reds. Coming around the outside of these islands, you've been able to pick up with some subsurface. The water temperature's been a little cooler, but that mix right there has still been producing some nice fish, mostly on your matrix shad and some of the lures like that have been producing pretty well. It's going to be subsurface mostly in this area, but the redfish are there. And if you get a chance, might even start trying to go up the river a little. We are still seeing some nice fish up that direction. All right, wrapping up this weekend. What we'll be doing is coming out from the Port Bay Road launch. To the right, you're going to have duck hunters and all of that. Let them have that. Stay away from the Port Bay Hunting Club. We know how much fun they can be. We're going to come around here to the right. Our water levels have dropped, so you're not going to be able to really cut inside that little island right off point. You'll have to go out and around it. That's still fine because right along where it starts to drop off, we've been picking up some nice trout. And then when we come back up into a little closer to shore, going down around as you get closer to that one house that's out there, we have actually been able to pick up some reds. Around here, we were starting out with the topwaters. If you're getting those like bumps but not quite the commitment, put that topwater away and immediately cast in that same spot with one of your subsurface. Z-Man trout trick, unfair shrimp, all of those have been working well. But our water temperatures are going to start to drop a little bit more. And remember that they're going to be slower. So they may be interested and the fish may be there, just not hooking up on a topwater. So put that subsurface right in front of them and get your limit.
This is Rockport Ryan. Thank you for watching and have a happy new year.